This video will explain how to do the Newton's first law of KWL. A KWL is a pre-lesson activity that we use to direct students' thinkings to show what they already know and to get them focused toward what they want to learn about a topic, what they're listening for, what they're looking for. So the K column, what students already know about Newton's first law. You will write in this column what you already know about it. It may be a lot, it may not be a lot at all. It just depends on the individual. In one class, I had a student say that I know it has something to do with gravity. I think they were thinking about the apple falling from the apple tree and hitting Newton on the head. Another student said that a moving object continues to move. Until some force acts on it. And that was about it. In another class, when I asked what do you want to know? One student said, what is it? How does it affect me? And how can I distinguish it from the other Newton's laws? Leave the L column blank until you are finished with Google slide number 10, which is in the week number 2 Google Slides presentation. At that point, you will come back and you will write 2 or 3 items in the Learn column that to show what you've learned about Newton's first law.